Hi everyone, today we are going to take a closer look at how to use the filtering feature in PCB design. When we open up a PCB, there are usually a lot of components and objects on the board. If we want to quickly select and work with only one type of object, the filter tool can help us do that. Let's start with the right-click menu filter. In the PCB editor, if you right-click, you'll see an option called filter. With this, you can narrow things down to just one category, for example, only components properties, or only wires. Say I choose wires. Now when I drag to select a large area, the system will only pick up wires and ignore everything else. This makes it super easy to batch edit their properties, like size or drill hole diameter. Whenever you need to make consistent changes, this method is very efficient. Next, let's check out the filter panel on the right-hand side. This panel works in a similar way, but gives you more flexibility. Each object type has a little checkbox. If it's checked, that object can be clicked or selected with a box. If it's unchecked, it won't be selectable at all. For example, imagine I want to update the properties of several swap components at once. I can first uncheck everything, then only check component properties. After that, when I drag to select, it will only grab those properties. From there, I can change the font, the text size, or the height all at once in the property bar. Once I'm done, I just turn the other checkboxes back on and continue as usual. Now, besides filtering individual objects, there's another very similar function called layer locking. In the layer panel, you can lock any layer you want. For instance, if I lock the top layer, then no matter how I click or select, nothing on that top layer can be picked up. I'll only be able to select items on other layers. It works a lot like filtering, but it applies to the whole layer instead of specific object types. Finally, let's quickly look at filtering in schematic editing. The idea is exactly the same. You can filter by object type. Maybe only select pins or only select a certain name. This lets you handle groups of items much faster. So overall, the filter and lock function are really useful tools in both PCB and schematic design. They let us do batch operations quickly, avoid mistakes, and improve our efficiency. That's it for today's walkthrough. Thanks for watching.